What's poppin', my Rolling Game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to a trucking vlog of Rolling with TB. You heard me?
What's up, Rolling Game?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright, my Rolling Game family. It's been a while since TB picked up the camera. But right now, we are in Paris, Illinois. Picking up a load this Sunday. What's today? Sunday the 21st. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Picking up a load I gotta take to Lafayette, Louisiana. I don't normally work on Sundays. I'm normally home on the weekend, but Thanksgiving coming up. And also this load paid like $5,200 going 800 miles. I couldn't pass that up. So right now I'm pretty much stuck at this shipper receiver. I got a drop and hook to do, but nobody's here. The place is literally empty. Like nobody's in the building, nobody here. So what I'm about to try to do is I'm about to try to check these trailers, all the ones for the company I'm with, and see if the paperwork is in the like the little front of the hatch thing. If not in the front, check the back, see where my load is. But I'm like, I don't know. And then I can't drive down there, so I got a bag all the way down there because it ain't gonna be no way to turn around. And I'm praying it ain't this first trailer right here, cause ooh, I might can get in there and get out of there. We'll see. But it's time for us to find our trailer, see if I can find some paperwork, get loaded, and get the rolling. Alright y'all, I got my utilities light on so we can see a little bit. This is the first trailer we gonna check. But I don't think that Landstar keeps any, like they don't got like the front compartment on it or nothing to check. So hopefully this mug ain't sealed so we can check the back of this trailer. It's cold and raining, baby. Let's see. And this look like a 670. This look like a newer trailer too. Where my phone at? Yeah. Alright, let's see. See what we got here, y'all. Let's see. We going to Lafayette, Louisiana. Yep. Look like ours. Say Lafayette, Louisiana. Exactly where we going. Man, the crazy thing. Stop two. Stop one. Stop two. It's supposed to be only one stop. Okay, it say pick up on one stop. Cool. So the crazy thing about this load is, man. Let me show y'all something right quick. It's gonna suck, but it paid too good, so we gotta do it. Look at this. All right, y'all, so this load right here is a load of windows. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to actually, oh man, I'm gonna pretty much have to unload this whole trailer by myself. I just gotta push the load to the tailgate, and then I guess they gonna take it from there and pull it off. But I gotta pretty much unload this whole trailer of windows by myself. God, it's gonna be a process, man. But it paid too good. It paid too good for me to pass up. But this ain't gonna be fun at all, man. This gonna give us a workout for real. So I gotta drop this load off tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. I gotta get there. This ain't gonna be fun. This ain't gonna be fun at all. So I'm about to hook up to my trailer, head out of here, give me some fuel. I probably can make it, you know, most of the way there because it's 800 miles. I got a full clock. So I could pretty much do like 720 and then wake up early in the morning and finish off the rest. So this is one of my highest paying one-way loads, delivering next day, paying $5,000 and some dollars. So let's get the trucking rolling.
see this coming. In a million years, I did not see this coming.
We interrupt this program to bring you.
Hey, child, so we just got an unexpected turn for the day. They just called me in to get a drug test. So I picked up this load this morning, and then I get a call from corporate saying that I need to do a drug and alcohol test. I guess I've been off work for too long. They're like, man, we got to make sure he A-okay to go back to work or something. So we got to call them right now and let them know that we are here.
Can I let him know what it's about?
Yeah, he told me to call them to when I got here for my drug and alcohol screening.
Okay, absolutely. Yeah, let me get him on the phone for you. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. Jeremy got you. Jeremy scared me half to death. He said you're not taking the test.
No.
Are you to the parking lot?
Yeah, I just got to the parking lot.
All right. Any problems parking or anything at that location?
No, this is cool. This is a cool location. This is a perfect location.
Perfect. All right. As you go in, just need you to do. They'll do you 2 tests: the random pee test and then the breath and tube alcohol test.
Okay.
I've got the paperwork already sent over to them. I'm going to email it to you right now just in case.
Okay.
So if they have any problems as you go in, if you want to just say, hey, I got the email as well. But it's there waiting for you. Hopefully they're not too busy. They did have about 10 in their waiting room this morning when I talked to them, so hopefully it kind of calmed down a little bit.
Okay.
But you're ready to go in.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Thank you.
All right. Just give me a shout when you get back out with a couple numbers, and we'll have you on your way.
How you doing? I gotta get a drug and alcohol screening for Lancelot.
Got an authorization.
And he said they sent everything over.
Send a blank check to make sure there's no alcohol in the chamber now.
How you know? Oh, cause it's
Zero.
okay.
I'll let you blow into this until you hear it click, okay?
Okay.
So take a pretty deep breath because it's like 10 seconds. All right, ready? And blow. Keep blowing, 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 keep blowing. There you go. Pop this. Not really 10 seconds. Oh, good catch. There's trash can right there. 0. I need you to come in here and sign and date there.
Right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go to your drug screen.
So we made it back to the truck. Alcohol and drug test is completed. Now I gotta try to get some fuel because I ain't really got no gas, to be honest.
Extremely annoying shift later.
All right, y'all. So it's been a few hours, honestly. I just made it to TA in Matthews, Missouri. I'm about to get some fuel down here. But if some of y'all didn't know, like on this $5,000 load, like we get up to 30%. I think it's 30%. We get a certain amount of percentage up front of the load for fuel and whatever else you need. So mine came out to like let me see. Yeah, I can see that. 1,700, 1,780. So I'm about to fill up my tank with that, and then the remaining balance or whatever it is, I'm just gonna send it to my bank account. So that should be like $1,100, $1,200 that I made up front going straight to my account before I even completed the load. And then once I finish the load, I get the remaining balance of that. So that's what we're doing right here, and then we're gonna take our 30-minute break. Then we're gonna keep on rolling.
next day, the next day, the next day.
All right, Rolly Gang family, it's a new day. Yesterday we had that random drug and alcohol screaming. I picked up this load we currently own in Paris, Illinois. Now we here in Lafayette, Louisiana. I'm delivering to this place. I don't see no dock doors or nothing, so I don't know how they gonna get me unloaded. It ain't even nowhere to really turn around and even back in. I know I can't drive in there. Man, I hope I ain't gonna have to blindside back. That sign right there says no semis on the lot. So I'm gonna have to figure this out, but we about to go check in and see where they want me at and see what we gotta do and get this unloaded. Roll it. How's it going? Pretty good. How you doing? You work here? Oh.
You go back in right here and come to these trips. You just follow me, man. It's like a quarter mile away from here, around the corner. That's where we're gonna meet you at.
This where we going?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I go back in there.
Alright.
How far y'all want me to go back?
Oh, you see the all right here.
Oh, I gotta go in there?
All you gotta do is just back up straight right here.
Okay.
How many you got?
He ain't get a thing?
Huh?
Yeah, it's a bunch.
There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Shit.
It ain't a full truckload, but it's a
Hello. Oh! Fuck.
It sucks. 4 of these windows is broken.
We're probably gonna throw away because the grid and everything messed up. I don't know if you gotta bring them back or not. I'll find out in a second for you.
Danny.
Yes, sir. Completely empty, baby. All right, Rolly Gang family, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. We officially done. We just got unloaded. I got some special gifts. I got a whole bunch of straps that came with this load. They didn't take them, so they mine. But also, I just want to say, man, about to go pick up my next load over somewhere in Louisiana to get me home for Thanksgiving. So happy early Thanksgiving to y'all. Y'all don't see me till after Thanksgiving because I got a Thanksgiving vlog coming up. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, from the drug test to the alcohol test to picking up this $5,000 load to delivering it to unloading it to everything that came with it. So I want to say thank y'all for rolling with TB. Like, share, subscribe. Turn me up, Rolly Gang. Don't turn me down.